Okay, y'all, I just want to give y'all a video on a Lincoln Mark LT pickup truck. So what was happening when I be riding down the road, I was hearing like a grinding noise. And so I figured it was the wheel bearings. So sure enough, it was. It's just this front left rear wheel bearing. Well, let's say the wheel bearing on the passenger side. And so the way it comes, it don't come. You can actually change the bearing in there, but in the hub, but it comes with the whole thing right here, the whole brake hub. So what I did is I went and bought a whole brand new one. So I'm breaking it down right now because this is what it looked like right here. And so I'm put the whole rotor on. It comes with the whole rotor with the stubs in it and everything. Let's see. So I'm gonna put that whole thing on there. And so what I had to do that is I had to take the caliper off. So right now I'm breaking. I took the caliper off, backed the brake pads up a little bit, took the caliper off, and actually took these bolts right here. I'm taking these bolts right here off, and then this whole thing here drop off. Then I gotta pull that pin out and screw that off, and then hopefully I can pop that straight out and put the new one on. And it shouldn't take that long. So here we go, y'all. I'm gonna see if I can't set this camera up so I can video it. So y'all can see what's going on. See if y'all can see it. Okay, right there. So here we go. Just making sure this is the same one, which it appears to be. Now, let's see if we can get this off. We'll go see if I can find the socket to fit that. I think I got lucky and found something to fit that, a 1 1/2 inch, 1 inch by 1/2 inch socket to fit that. So let's see. It don't fit it perfect. Let's see if I can get it to screw off with it though.